Alright guys, so this is the tutorial for today. I used my LA Colors Luminous this, and it is slowly becoming my favorite. Excuse the noise, just doing this really quick intro. Then I use my LA Colors I Love Makeup palette. Now I'm aware that this is another smoky eye, but I wanted to do a very deep look with using this palette. I love the colors. As the base I use my oh my god, it's all LA Colors. That's so cool. Pro Primer, and this is in the color black. So I use these three LA products to get my look banging on my lips. I'm wearing Around the Way Girl, and it is from Pink Princess Cosmetics. So you guys, that's it. Lashes are fashionista lashes from my line, Pomba Lyric. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Mwah. Enjoy the video.
Open up a page, I'ma need a new start. Trying to find the light, but the way seems dark.
Alright, so we're going to get this look started, and I'm using my LA Colors I Love Makeup palette, and this is a very beautiful palette. It has mattes and a little bit of shimmer. No, it is the all matte palette, and I got this at Fontana Pharmacy. So I'm going to be taking this brown color, and this is going to be going in my crease, and it's going to be going right beneath my brow bone area. So not on my brow bone where that lighter color is, just right in my crease, right beneath that brow bone area. Then I'm taking this purpley color and I'm mixing it with the brown that I laid, because I want a bit of a smoky look, and I wanted to mix the colors to get a little bit of color in there. Rather than just having the brown showing through, I wanted like some purpley hues to come forth as well. So now I'm taking my LA Pro Primer, and this is in the color black. Guys, don't sleep on these LA Colors stuff. I mean, they're coming all the way up now. Like, I really love the strobing powder, the strobing quad. I want to do a review on them for you guys to let you guys know what I really think about them, but as you can tell, I'm loving them. So I'm getting that black and I'm putting it on top of the LA Colors. Now, as you know, because it's drugstore, I tend to like to, well, it's not just for drugstore alone, you know. I tend to like putting a black base when I'm using a darker color. I just feel like it makes it come out a little bit brighter. You see what I mean? So the black looks richer. So I like how it looks. So what I'm going to be doing is take what's left on the brush, and I'm going to be feathering it up. So notice how I'm going up and further up, kind of blending it up and out, so it has that smoky effect, rather than going in with another color to help blend it out. Now the first two colors I laid on first, the brown and the purple, that helped to blend it out, so it gives a nice look in the crease. But this black now is kind of pushing up and kind of fusing with those colors, having it look a bit more smoky without me literally going in again with another crease color. I know that's a lot of explanation, but I hope it was worth it. So yeah. Alright, so next I'll be taking this lighter color, and that's going to be going on my brow bone. You know how I always use my Shades by Gal for my brow bone? This time I tried my hardest not to, and I found this color from my crease and I really like it. So next I'm going in with my black eyeliner pencil, and this is actually from LA Colors as well. Then I'm going in with my Luminous 5-piece collection Luxe, and I'm going with that top color there. It's called Light in the palette, and this will be my oh my glow. Look at how glowy I are glowing, so glowy. Then I'm going to be going with this glow again, because you know we extra, honey, and all the Instagrammers are doing 2 to 3 glows. So 2 to 3 glows it is. Then I'm going in with Around the Way Girl. This is by Pink Princess Cosmetics. As I said in the intro, this is all drugstore, you guys. Everything that I'm using is from Fontana Pharmacy, and you can shop fontanapharmacy.com, or if you're in Jamaica, you can Google their 5 locations, but everything I'm using is from Fontana Pharmacy, except the lashes. The fashionista lashes are on my website, pombalyric.com. So I'm going over with my powder brush, just kind of blend out the my lipstick, not blend, to make my lipstick lines cleaner. So then I'm going in back with the Luminous 5-piece Luxe, and I'm just adding some light to my eyes, and I love the look it gives. Guys, this is the tutorial. It's a 5-minute tutorial, you guys. Thank you so much for your support over the years, over the months. We're at day 27. We got 4 more days, boo-boo. 4 more days, honey. Thank you so much for the love. Thank you for the support, you guys, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Mwah, mwah. Mwah.
Na 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 na. I want to be right with you. Obey your words, oh Lord. No, I don't wanna fight with you. Wanna